Good evening all of you. This is Ankit Singh in front of you. First of all, I would like to say thanks to Mr. Pradeep sir for giving me this opportunity and say something about my today's topic. My today's topic is graphical presentation. As you can see here in this picture, the picture is talking about the importance of the money in one's life. Sorry, money and the education in one's life. And picture is divided in 4 parts. If we talk about the first part of the picture, it is talking about one's life who have the money and the education. And if we talk about the second part of the picture, is talking about one's life who haven't the money but he have the education. And the third part of the picture is talking about one's life who haven't the education but he have the money. And the last part of the picture is talking about one's life who haven't the money and the education. So the picture is talking real truth over here, and it is describing the real fact of the life. And let's describe it. So if we talk about the first part, as mentioned in this picture, but one particular person have the education and the money. He can do anything in his life. As we know that if particular person have the education, he can survive in his life. For the surviving in one's life, education is most important. Without the education, one can't survive in this world. And money also equally factor in this matter. If we want to survive, we need money. Without the money, we can't take the education and we can't survive. So this is that. If particular person have both of these things, he can do anything. There are a lot of examples. They have the both of these things and they are doing well in their life and they are enjoying in his life over here. And if we talk about the second part of the picture, it is talking about one's life. He have the education but not the money. And as we know that without the education, one can't do anything. If particular person have the education, he can do anything in his life. In this picture, as we know that the one particular person have the education and he haven't the money. As the example of this, we are the student. We have the knowledge. We are enjoying our life over here, but not on that much level. We want to do something. We are dependent on our parents over here. So this is all about that. And if we talk about the third part of the picture, it is talking about one's life who haven't the education but he have the money. If particular person have the money, yeah, one can easily adopt from their forefather and their parents over here. It may be possible. But if particular person haven't the education, he can't maintain the money. In the lacking of education, he'll hold money over here. So this is about this part of the picture. We have a lot of example in our society. In the lacking of education, most of the people, they lost their money over here. And if we talk about the last part of the picture, it is talking about one's life. He haven't the education and not the money. And let's describe it. If particular person haven't the education, not the money, so he can't do anything. As I mentioned before, for the surviving, money and education both are equally important. We know that just beside the roads, there are a lot of beggars. They are just living for feeding themselves. They haven't the vision of their lives. They don't know what they have to do. They are just living for feeding themselves. So this is all about this picture. Jai Hind all of you. Thanks for listening me.